Welcome, today I've heard of me, XIAOMI Redmi 10C, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go into the settings application. After that, click here to the Wi-Fi section. Now just to activate Wi-Fi, click once on the switcher, and after that you'll see here all of the available networks, and now you can select one from this network to connect. For example, we can go with this one. Here you should enter the device network password. If you want to see the password, you should click here on this eye icon, for example, just to have some mistakes. And after that, just click here to connect. So I'll enter the password out of screen. And now just after click to connect, you can see that the our device successfully connected to this network. If you want, you can also enter one more password here to connect, and you can later switch between these two networks if you want. Also, if you want to just turn on the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on this Wi-Fi switcher, and that's it. So we have the second way how we can do that. Just first open the top bar here, and you'll find somewhere here the Wi-Fi as icon. Just click once on this icon to activate Wi-Fi. If you wanna launch the Wi-Fi settings to find the network, just hold for a while this icon by this way, and you can find here your just network. And to connect and to turn it off, you should click here once again on this Wi-Fi icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.